Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of the constant, you got about 0. First derivative of s to the power of 3, you got 3s squared ds. So this one we change by u. 3s squared ds we change by du. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, you got about u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So for this one, you got about u to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 over 1 over 3 plus 1, and we put about c. So this one you got about 4 over 3. This one we got about 4 over 3. About u, that is about this one. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.